Hi, I'm Hector Perez, a senior solutions architect at JourneyTEAM, and I'm going to teach you about one of the pillars of zero trust architecture, which is endpoints. To learn about the other five pillars, check out our other videos. Endpoints play a crucial role in zero trust architecture as they serve as the entry points for users, devices, applications seeking access to organizations' resources. In a zero trust model, trust is never assumed, and endpoints become key elements in enforcing security controls. The significance of endpoints in zero trust architecture can be summarized as follows. First, identity verification. Endpoints are where devices connect to the network, and verifying the identity of these devices is essential. Zero Trust relies on strong authentication mechanisms to ensure that only authorized and secure devices gain access. Second, user authentication. Endpoints are where users interact with systems, and user authentication is a critical component of Zero Trust. So continuous verification should be implemented at endpoints to ensure that only legitimate users gain access to resources. Third endpoint security posture assessment. So a continuous assessment of the security posture of endpoints. Organizations should monitor and evaluate factors such as device health, compliance with security policies, and the presence of security software to determine access. Fourth, application access control. Serve as the gateway for accessing applications, and Zero Trust extends access controls to the application level. Only authorized users and devices with the right security posture and are granted access to specific applications, minimizing the attack surface. EDR, or endpoint detection response. Endpoints are equipped with EDR solutions to detect and respond to security incidents in real time. And this proactive approach allows organizations to identify and mitigate potential threats at the point of entry. Sixth, isolation and micro segmentation. So by segmenting the network at the endpoint level, organizations can contain and limit the lateral movement of threats, reducing the impact of potential breaches. And lastly, with data encryption, endpoints play a role in securing data in transit. Encryption mechanisms are applied at the endpoint to protect sensitive information as it travels between devices and across the network. In summary, endpoints are critical components of zero trust architecture because they are the front line in enforcing security controls and verifying the trustworthiness of devices and users. By securing endpoints, organizations can effectively implement the principles of least privilege, continuous verification, and proactive threat detection in their security strategy. Thanks for learning about endpoints and zero trust. Please reach out if you have any questions.